Hi, I'm Chef Steve Putnam with Chartwells, and today we're going to be making a pear and cranberry breakfast bar. Some of the items are from the Pike Red Zone food pantry, some of them are from the store. Let's get started. Now we need to add all of our dry ingredients to a mixing bowl. 2½ cups of oats, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, half a teaspoon baking soda, and a half teaspoon of kosher salt. And we just set that aside. Okay, next step, we're gonna have to open up our cans of pears. Now we just need to strain the liquid. Our next step is to chop the pears and the cranberries, but if you have a blender, it's better to do it under the pulse setting a few times. We need to add our chopped pears and cranberries to our dry ingredients. Make sure everything is fully incorporated. We're gonna add that little bit of vanilla and mix it some more. Okay, next step, we need to spray the pan. We'll take our mixture, spread it out evenly across the pan.
Hi, my name is Kara. I'm the district's dietitian and a proud Pike grad. So this is a quick and easy breakfast item that you can prepare and have for the week on the go. It includes whole grains and fruit, and you can also pair it with a cheese stick or yogurt to add some protein.
We need to put this into an oven at 375 degrees for about 25 minutes. When it is finished, we want to cool this overnight in a refrigerator. Now you can wrap them individually after they're cool and freeze them and pull them out. But this is our finished product. Delicious.